When it comes to dangerous planets in our solar system, it's important to clarify that the term dangerous can have different meanings depending on the context. Planets can be considered dangerous for various reasons, such as extreme environmental conditions, lack of habitability, or high levels of radiation. Here are some plain that are often considered inhospitable or dangerous in different ways. Venus. Venus is known for having one of the most extreme and inhospitable environments in our solar system. It has a thick, toxic atmosphere primarily composed of carbon dioxide, with surface pressures that are about 92 times that of Earth's. Surface temperatures can reach up to 475 degrees Celsius, 887 degrees Fahrenheit, hot enough to melt lead. The planet experiences a runaway greenhouse effect, making it an incredibly hostile place for human exploration. Mercury. Mercury's extreme temperature variations between its scorching dayside and freezing nightside make it a challenging environment for spacecraft or future human missions. The lack of a substantial atmosphere means there is no protection from solar radiation. Jupiter. Jupiter is a gas giant with a powerful magnetic field and intense belts. The planet's radiation environment is so harsh that it would be lethal to humans, and spacecraft must be heavily shielded to survive close encounters. Saturn. Saturn is another gas giant with a strong magnetic field and radiation belts similar to Jupiter. Its extreme cold temperatures, lack of solid ground, and turbulent atmosphere make it a challenging place for exploration. Exoplanets. While not in our solar system, some exoplanets discovered in other star systems have been termed hot Jupiters. These gas giants orbit very close to their parent stars and experience extreme temperatures, strong winds, and potentially inhospitable conditions. It's important to note that the concept of dangerous planets is relative to human exploration and habitation. Planetary exploration missions, such as those conducted by robotic spacecraft, have provided invaluable scientific insights into this. Harsh conditions of these planets make them challenging and, in some cases, dangerous for human presence. Planetary exploration is an ongoing field of research, and scientists are continually studying various planets and celestial bodies to better understand their characteristics, origins, and potential for future exploration.